Hey beauties, today I'm going to take you through a divine little ritual that's going to lift your face and rejuvenate your skin lymphatic drainage face massage. If you're looking to brighten up your complexion and give your face a natural lift, then stay tuned. So what exactly is lymphatic drainage? Well, it's a gentle massage technique that helps to stimulate the flow of lymph fluid, which is basically your body's natural detox system. When this fluid flows freely, it can reduce puffiness, improve circulation, and give you that gorgeous glowing skin we all crave. Alright, let's get started. First things first, make sure your face is clean and you've got a good facial oil or moisturizer handy. You want your fingers to glide smoothly over your skin. Take a few deep breaths and get into a relaxed state. This is your time to pamper yourself. Begin by placing your fingertips at the center of your forehead. Apply gentle pressure and sweep outwards towards your temples. Repeat this motion a few times to kickstart the drainage process. It should feel soothing and not uncomfortable. Next, move to your eyes. Using your ring fingers, gently circle under your eyes from the inner corner to the outer corner. This helps to diminish dark circles and puffiness. Remember, the skin around your eyes is delicate, so be extra gentle here. Now let's move to the cheeks. Place your fingers on either side of your nose and sweep outwards towards your ears. This movement helps to lift and sculpt your cheeks, giving you that defined look. Do this several times and you'll start to feel the difference. For the jawline, use your thumbs to glide along your jaw from the chin towards your earlobes. This helps in reducing any fluid buildup and can make your jawline appear more chiseled. Repeat a few times, applying a bit more pressure if it feels comfortable. Finally, don't forget your neck. Starting at the base of your neck, use upward strokes towards your jawline. This not only feels divine but also encourages lymph flow and reduces puffiness in the lower face. And there you have it. A simple yet effective lymphatic drainage face lifting massage that you can easily incorporate into your skincare routine. Remember, consistency is key. Doing this a few times a week can make a world of difference in how your skin looks and feels. Thanks for watching, beauties. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips and tricks to keep your skin looking fabulous, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, keep glowing. Stay beautiful.